Hello friends, in this video we will learn how can we set time limit in Google Forms. Many friends were asking about how can we set the time limit in a particular test. However, there is no direct options in the settings of Google Forms. As we can see that there is no direct options for setting the time limit for a particular examinations or quiz. But by using some add-ons given in Google Suite, we can set time limit in our Google form. As this is a sample Google quiz demo, I have prepared already, and we will set the time limit in this particular quiz. For this, I have to click on these three dots. Then I have to click on add-ons. I have to click here on add-ons. After that, we have to search in G Suite Marketplace form limiter. And we have to install this particular add-on form limiter. I have already installed it, so you can see that it is installed in my computer. And after installing, we will see here this is the icon for add-ons in our Google form. Then I have to click here. These are different add-ons installed by me, and then we have to click on this form limiter. It is not working properly, so let us refresh it. Now there are three options: install, set limit, help. It is already installed. Now we will see how can we set the time limit for this particular Google form. There are certain options of limit type. We have to select from here. We can select date and time. We can also select number of form responses. We can also select spreadsheet cell value. First we will see date and time. Stop accepting the responses when a due date is set on. We have to set the due date for this particular form. Suppose I am setting it is as 17 of August. I have to select the time. Suppose I don't want to accept the responses for this particular form after 1 p.m. Then I have to select 1 and p.m. and I have to click on set. When a due date is set on, we have on the due date it is of 17th of August 2020, and it will not accept the form after 1 p.m. If we want to change, we can click here, and suppose I want to continue the acceptance of the responses for this particular form till 4 p.m. We can select 4 and p.m. Then we can click on set. If you want to as it should select at 4:20, then we have to click on 4:20 set. So this form will not accept the responses after 4:20 p.m. After that, the participants who will fill this form will get this particular message: this form is no longer accepting responses and has been set to automatically close by that particular email ID. So we can save and enable this. Now if we want to change these particular settings, we have changed the date and time. Now if you suppose we want to restrict the number of responses to a particular number, then we have to click here number of form responses. Stop accepting form responses when responses are greater than, suppose I am saying it 1000. Then after 1000 responses it will not accept the responses of the participants, and we can save it. In this way we can set time limit on both the as we can set the time limit for number of forms. After a particular number we would not accept the participant registrations or whatever information we are sharing, and we can set the time limit for that particular form. If we want to disable, then we just click on that particular disable button, and this will be disabled for this particular form. And if you want to disable the time limit, we can also disable it. So in this way we can use the time limit as well as then we can restrict the number of responses. Thank you very much.